What's up guys, JB here with Iconic Mods, and today this video is going to be a little bit different. It's not a review video, it's not a new product or anything like that. Today is all about you, the viewers, the guys who subscribe to the channel and the people who keep everything going. And I just wanted to do something that would give me an opportunity to say thank you for subscribing to the channel, watching my content, and keeping up with everything. So that being said, let me get one other small thing out of the way, which is I know you guys might have been tripping over the picture I put up on Twitter last night thinking that I'm being sponsored by Corsair. I am not. However, I'm not opposed to it at all in the slightest. As you all know, almost everything I have is Corsair, all my peripherals and all that other good stuff. So Corsair Pause, if you guys are watching, hit me up. Anyway, again, today is all about you guys and giving back, and I wanted to do something very small. So as you saw in the intro, is basically I'm giving away what's considered the Corsair Essentials Gaming Bundle, which comes with a HS50 headset. It also includes which by the way I did do a review on that particular headset when it first came out. You'll find it in the card linked in the description up here somewhere on the screen. Also it comes with a K55 RGB keyboard, which I have not reviewed that yet. However, I might do that later on. But it's an RGB keyboard and it's made by Corsair, so I can only imagine it's gonna be great. It also comes with an RGB Harpoon mouse. It's a wired mouse, but it is RGB, and from another product I have not reviewed yet. However, I have a bunch of fellow reviewers who have done reviews on it, and they all give it high praises. So I'm glad that's also included in the package. One other thing that is inside the case or inside the box is a mouse pad. However, the mouse pad does not include, it's no RGB on the mouse pad itself. And I wanted you guys to have the whole RGB experience. So one thing that I'm doing to go along with that is I'm including my original Corsair MM800 RGB mouse pad that I had personally before I got the Razer Goliathus. So I'll be throwing that in the giveaway as well. So now that we got the particulars out of the way, as you can see, the kit is right here behind me, and I'll also throw up the MM800 at some point. But the particulars for how you enter the actual giveaway is A, you have to be subscribed to the channel. B, you need to follow me on Twitter, because that's my main social media platform that I use, and that's why I'll be giving away a lot of other details about anything else that I do. And one other thing I want to touch on real quick is I plan on doing these giveaways fairly regularly, because I like giving back to people, and this is something I feel like I can do on a normal basis. So if you enjoy giveaways and you want to keep following the channel, it'd be a good way for you to get some stuff in the future. Okay, so the third thing, getting back to the requirements, the third thing is over the next couple weeks, up until the end of February, I'm going to be posting videos weekly. And what you're going to have to do is like the videos and leave a comment. Each video that you like and leave a comment on gives you more chances to be entered for the drawing to be able to get the free giveaway. So make sure you do that. Now those videos are going to start from the video I posted yesterday, which is about the Internet Max fans. Today's video, the one you're actually watching right now, and the videos I post from now until the end of February. On March 1st is when I'll be picking the winner, and I haven't quite figured out if I'm actually going to do a dedicated video for picking the winner and then announce it that way, or if I'm just going to pick a winner randomly from the comments using the comment generator picker thingy and contact the winner directly after that privately. However, like I said, if you enjoy giveaways and this is something you're interested in, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave comments on all of the videos, and make sure you follow me on Twitter so that way you can be entered for the drawing, because that will be checked when I do the drawing. Also, make sure you share this with your friends. The more people who get involved, the more people who follow the channel, the bigger the channel gets. The more giveaways I can do, because it's going to allow me that opportunity. I would love to give stuff away to each and every one of you. However, financially, that's absolutely impossible. It's entirely too much stuff to be able to do that. It's too many people, and I don't have those kind of funds. So just to give you guys a heads up on some other things that I'm looking at doing, I have picked up a couple packs of the Corsair LL120 fans, and those will probably be thrown into another giveaway at some point later on in the future. I picked up several packs of those. They're still brand new, unopened in the box. So that'll be something else I'll give away in the future. And I know if you guys have been looking at them, they're pretty expensive. So, but I don't want to give away cheap stuff. I know the last giveaway I did, those were the Raymax fans. Those were the lower end Raymax fans. I didn't give away the ones that I actually did the review on. And I want to step up my game. So I want you guys to get stuff that is actually enjoyable for you to use in your own setups and builds and all that. And I wanted to start off with this kit because I felt like it was the perfect package for the brand new build or giveaway or subscriber or anything like that. So that being said, I'm gonna wrap up this video. That's it. If you guys, I know you guys probably hear Pen in the background. He's freaking out for whatever reason. Anyway, that's it for the giveaway. So like I said, subscribe to the channel, like and comment on our videos in the next month, and make sure you follow me on Twitter. And that's it. So I'm JB with Iconic Mods, and I'll holla at you in the next one. Peace.